how much more external rotation can I go, right?
You're right, yeah. No.
So that just says that this is not what neutral is. Neutral is here.
Well, that's why if I'm laying down and I'm right here.
Right, okay.
Then
So
that's why.
go ahead and lie down for me, Renee.
Okay.
Okay. If we're doing her right shoulder, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to have her go into abduction, right, to 90, and her elbow flexion is to be at 90. So this is what neutral is, okay? So it's the same thing as with pronation, supination with the forearm. You can start with the goniometer down, or you can start with the goniometer up.
Okay.
It's all preference, okay? So if I start with the goniometer up, my axis is going to be, where are we? Your olecranon, yeah? Okay. So then my moving arm, or my stationary arm, is going to be where?
Parallel to this one?
It's going to be perpendicular to the table. So it's just like pronation, supination, right?
I thought you meant the moving one. The stationary is perpendicular to
The stationary is perpendicular to the ground.
Okay.
Right. Okay. And then, so this one's is the question for your answer. Where is the moving arm going to be? It's right. So it's going to bisect this, and it's going to line up with the styloid process, right?
Oh, okay.
So go into internal rotation for me.
So
Right. So I want to make sure that this stays perpendicular to the floor, and I can reposition this and go there.
okay.
Right? So that's her internal rotation. Her internal rotation, right? So if I'm starting at a 0 and she went this way, it's 40, right? So go back to neutral. If I have her go into external rotation, it's the same exact thing. Landmarks don't change. I line it up with the styloid process or bisect the forearm, right? So we started at 0. She went here. What's the reading? 60, right? And what are normals for internal?